Hey, what's going on? Just wanted to make a video. It's been a while since I made a video, actually. This video is going to be about Amazon Flex. So if you're in the Chicagoland area, I just wanted to share some information with you guys. You can make $200 a day doing Amazon Flex pretty easily. It may take you may sign up, I should say, for 7.5 to 8 hours, but you can make $200 a day doing Amazon Flex. So somehow in this video, I'm going to show the earnings on the screen right now, or not, maybe not right now, but at some point. But you can make over $200 a day. And here's the secret. Well, it may not be a secret, but you may be asleep. There's a warehouse that opened up in Skokie. This warehouse opened up a couple months ago. And Amazon has a new program now where customers are able to get their packages before they wake up in the morning. So meaning you can place an order and you can actually select the time where you'll get it before, I think it's like 8 a.m. or something, but it's early in the morning. And these packages are coming out of Skokie. I believe the identifier is SIL2. And here's the thing. These early morning blocks start at 3:30 in the morning. And when it first opened up a couple months ago, they were paying more than the highest pay rate you can get on Amazon Flex, which I believe is $36 an hour. It's either $36 or $38 an hour. Anyway, when it first opened up a couple months ago, there were blocks going for $40 an hour, $50 an hour, those things. But here's the secret. The secret is you need to wake up early in the morning, and you need to go after these early morning blocks. Any block between 3:30 and about 4:45. Those blocks always surge. It has been slowing down recently, but you get one of those blocks. They're 4.5 hour blocks. They'll pay you $30, $33 an hour. You can get those for $135, $150. Pick up one of those blocks, you go do that block. Now it's early in the morning, I understand. If you guys remember some of my past videos, like I said, I live in the south suburbs, so Skokie is about a 40-minute drive from me. But it works because it's early in the morning, so there's no traffic. You have nothing to worry about traffic-wise. And Skokie will send you back downtown Chicago a lot. My last couple ones, I've been sent to the west side, which has been interesting. And I've only got one really bad Skokie block. And I'm going to be honest. I got this block probably 2 weeks ago. And Skokie sent me to pretty much like Waukegan. That is the wrong direction. It was a horrible block. But when you get these surge rates, and if you know anything about Amazon Flex, you're probably going to win more than you're going to lose. So you just got to take those and just deal with them. So I was definitely an hour away from my home. But that's the first step. So the first step is to wake up early in the morning, figure out how long it's going to take you to get to Skokie, and try to grab one of these surge blocks early in the morning. You're able to get a 4.5 hour block for $135. That's a great start to your day. The goal is to make the $200 a day. I have made more than $200 a day. There's been days I've made $300. I think I had a $400 day. I don't remember, but anyway. The $400 a day was with tips and shit. So the goal is $200 a day. If you can make $200 a day, you do that 5 days a week, that's $1,000. So the first step is to wake up early in the morning. I usually get up at about 2:30 and start looking at blocks. Because it takes the 40 minutes. So get one of those surge blocks. Those 4.5 blocks go from 130, 150. Look at this dumbass. For no reason. Sorry, y'all. So, hold on. So then after that, another good warehouse to go to later on in the day. So you finish your 3:30 or your 4:30 block. You'll finish that before 8 or 9. You go back home, you chill, you relax. The other warehouse is Romeoville. Yo, what up? My last video got cut off or whatever, so I was talking about how to make over $200 a day, I believe, and I spoke about Skokie. I think it's SIL1. Wake up early in the morning, do one of those blocks. You know, if you can get one of those 4.5 joints for 130, 125, 130, 140, it's a great start to the day. After that, the next warehouse, which is the opposite direction of Skokie, and it's west, is the Romeoville warehouse. Shoot. I can't remember what the sign is for Romeoville, but anyway, Romeoville surges in the evening. So those 435, 536 blocks, sometimes you can get a 3-hour block out of Romeoville for $100. They do go up that high. Recently, I've seen them as high as, what is it, the $38 an hour. So I think that's like 112 or something, or 114, I believe. So yeah, the second block you go for is Romeoville, man. Those Romeoville blocks have been surging. Since I did my previous video when I had on the red shirt, a couple of the Chicago warehouses are surging as well too. Here's the thing. Here's the overall secret. The overall secret is to wake up early in the morning and knock out one of those Skokies. Get a good surge out of Skokie. Get a minimum of $28 an hour surge out of Skokie early in the morning. Once you finish that, go back home, go to sleep, do your day or whatever like that, and be ready to go back out at about 4 or 5. A ton of the warehouses at the 4, 5, 6 o'clock time frame surge. So if you can get a 3-hour block for $75 at a warehouse that's closer to your house, you're winning. You know, that's going to put you at your $200 mark right there. So the key is to wake up early. Take advantage of these Skokie blocks while you can, man, because these Skokie ones are good. Yes, Skokie's far. If you live south suburbs like me, you know, that's really far, and vice versa. But man, if you need the money, man, go to Skokie. Go to Skokie, start your day off right. Go back home, go to sleep, you know, do some other gigs in the meantime, but be ready to go back out at you know, I would say 4 o'clock, by 4 o'clock. Most of the surges start honestly about 5, but there have been some at 4. Just be ready to go back out, man, and do a 3.5 hour, 4-hour block. A lot of times, especially now since Amazon, everything is so busy because of the pandemic, Amazon is letting us do 10 hours a day. So if you can catch one of those 4.5s early, even a 3-hour early in the morning at Skokie, those things have been paying $100. But if you can catch anything from 3, 4, 4.5 hour, and then, you know, you can wait, you can catch something else throughout the day with a surge for another 4.5 hours, get 9, that's $200. So I hope this video helped you guys, gave you some information on how to make $200 a day. I'm gonna do another video on how to start your week off right by making $400 on every Monday. Well, I should say not every Monday, but a lot of Mondays. Nothing with this gig work is guaranteed. If you've been doing gig work, you know that. But I like to make $400 plus on Mondays, start my week off right. And I'm gonna make a video just talking about it. Take some screenshots of the payouts and how I do it. So start your week off right with $400 on Mondays. Be out on the lookout for that video. But I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you next time.